So, NewsBall.com, nightcrawler style. I think well, the cops are already here, but could be a dead person inside this car that flipped over. Let's see how close up we can walk without. This is a tow truck too already. So, we'll see. But it looks like it could be a body inside. Only one cop. We'll see how close they let me get before he like blocks me off and tells me to turn around or something. But yeah, I'm driving to just get a Starbucks, a donut, and there's a car flipped over off the road. You know, a couple miles up the road, there's a memorial for a girl that died in a car crash. It's like, how do you freaking go so fast that you go flying off the road in this area? And so anyway, there's a cop down by this overturned car. There's a fire truck, and I don't know if anyone's dead inside the car or what, or they got up, but let's see what we can do. Let's see. Let's go down here. Probably should stay up on the road, but let's see how close we get. NewsBall.com reporting live in near Oceanside, California. Did not beat the cops to the scene, but looking for that nightcrawler scene where like I see this and the cops aren't there yet and I get there first. That'd be epic, but this seems pretty fresh and pretty close to the scene. Let's see if anyone's inside the car. Let's see if we get the cops to say something to us. Damn. Oh, the fire truck already left too. So there's nothing there. Cop just turned around to look at me, but let's see. Doesn't look like no blood, no fatality. I guess there's no tarp, so no one's dead. Hey, no, I have a news website, a YouTube, so just seeing if there's anything interesting. Didn't know you might yell and say, hey, get 10 feet back or something, so just looking around. No fatality, nothing interesting. The person just took off? Maybe a DUI? Maybe. Damn. Wow. So that's not something you see every day. Just an abandoned car flipped over and the person decided to just take off. Look at this. I'm doing nightcrawler status. Oh, crazy.
Was that the one yes, that's the one I thought it was.
Who would do this and then just leave? So they must probably got warrants out for their arrest or something. Maybe stolen vehicle. Makes sense. Saturday night, and this happens, and 7 a.m. now, Sunday morning. So some drunk or drugged up teens. Maybe that's all it is. Or something worse, like warrants out for their arrest, so they had to abandon the car. Look at this, no crime scene blocking me off. Oh, they did a registered mail, certified mail thing. Oh, sorry, yeah. So the cop thinks that drunk person, drugged person, leave the scene so you don't get a DUI. But leaving the scene like this, even without a victim, you got property damage to the fence. That could be a charge. So nothing too exciting to report. No blood, no body, no people under arrest. Just an abandoned car. And the cop said that he's seen this happens more than you think. Just a crashed car, abandon it, flee the scene, and then they report that the car was stolen later on, to get out of responsibility for this happening. So live from Oceanside, California, newsball.com, Colbert Romo. Nothing exciting, but hey, not every day that you see a flipped car, a bunch of shit inside. I didn't see their mask. There's no mask inside. They took their mask with them. Everyone's got a mask in their car these days, but there's so much paperwork. I said, hey, did you just grab the paperwork and then track down who it is? He's like, I don't trust documents, paper. He's just gonna run the VIN and they go from there. So I was like, they're towing it right now. Are you gonna like crawl in there and grab the paperwork? And there looked like a lot of paperwork in there, but he doesn't trust papers and all that. He's just gonna run the VIN. So, yep, and kind of cool Sunday morning. Go get some coffee and donuts and a nice little crash scene to start the day.